Everyone, Tutorial Tim here, and today I'm going to show you how to use a very nice tool called Dictation Speech on macOS. I believe it's also a utility program for Windows for those of you Window Figma users out there, but I'm not quite sure, so I'd have to double check. And anyways, I'm going to show you basically how to speak and type without having to type. So without any further ado, let's get started. If for all you Mac users out there, let's go to our system preferences and type in dictation. And then once we go to dictation, we're gonna see if you have this feature enabled or if it's turned off. If it's off, turn it on. You don't have to, but if you don't, you can't use my tip and trick. So I'd use the enhanced dictation as well, and then set your shortcut key. By default, I believe it is set to FN. So every time I press the FN key twice, the feature will be accessible. So what I'm going to do is basically just open up your text tool, create like a text box, you got your font ready to go, and I'm just going to make it a little bigger. I'm going to hold down Option while inside of this text box, and you'll notice that it switches to the scrubber. And if I go up, it'll scrub at a quick rate, and you'll get an indication of how quick that rate is, and down below via the snack bar. I got my font set to 244. I'm satisfied with that. And now that I have my text tool active, I'm going to hit FN twice. And now I can speak, and it's going to type for me because I'm really lazy. And I think that is amazing, and I hope you do too, and I hope you utilize it and stop typing as much as you normally do. If that video helped, leave a comment. If it didn't, leave a comment. And also subscribe, because why not? And if you guys would like to know any other tips and tricks like this, I'll catch you in the next one, and I'll have more videos coming real soon. Boom.